Hello everyone. Welcome to the orientation video for financial accounting. My name is Professor Reeves and I will be your instructor for this course. I want to begin looking at the Blackboard site. When you want to log into the Blackboard site, you're going to go to the school's website, which is just stlcc.edu. Click on the Blackboard link and log into the Blackboard site. Once you're on the Blackboard site, you have several tabs shown over here to the left-hand side. I just went to the student view. And you want to click where it says Start Here. So click on the Start Here tab. That's going to be the first tab you want to look at on the Blackboard site. Under your Start Here tab, you have your course objectives, how to be successful in this course, information on how you're going to be graded, grading scale. This information is all included here under the Start Here menu. So once you review the information under the Start Here menu, I recommend you then click where it says Syllabus and Schedule. And here you have a PDF version of the course schedule or the course syllabus, which we'll look at in a few minutes. And you also have the course schedule. The course schedule shows which chapter we're going to cover during each week of the summer semester. It also indicates the exam dates. It shows which chapter we're going to cover on each exam as well. So you have the full schedule for the semester is already listed on the Blackboard site. And once again, here you see the actual exam dates for each exam, which will take place on the Forest Park campus in room E315. All exams for the semester have to be proctored, and we'll talk more about that in a few. So what I have here is the syllabus. I pulled it up. So this is an internet online course, and we're going to use what's called the Wiley Plus homework management system to complete most of our assignments for this course. You can read about the course description, the course objective. Here is the textbook information. The textbook is called Financial Accounting, Tools for Decision Making. It is a textbook by the Wiley publisher. The authors are named Kimmel, Wiegand, and Kiesel, or the last name of the three authors of this textbook, and we're using the 8th edition of this textbook. Okay? This is showing how many points you must earn to receive a certain letter grade out of this course. Every time you earn points, those points will be upgraded into the Blackboard Grade Center, which I will go back to in a few minutes. You're going to have 4 exams throughout the semester, and you will be notified of which chapter are covered on each of those exams. You can earn up to 100 points for each test. There is a computer project that you hear more about. You're going to have quizzes for each chapter. The class participation will be the blog discussion questions, which have been assigned for each chapter, which again we'll take a look at in a few minutes. And then there's homework and reading assignments, which are vital to being successful in this course. Accounting is one of those subject matters where you have to first read the information for understanding, and then apply those skills that you have acquired by working on the homework, practice assignments, things of that nature. Now, once again, although this is an online class, your exams have to be proctored. This is because of an agreement we've made with the universities that for all of our transfer business courses, we will proctor all exams for our students. Now, there's a set time and schedule for the exams. However, we do have makeup centers at the different campuses, Forest Park, Florissant Valley, Wildwood, and Merrimack. If you're not able to take the exam at the scheduled time on the Forest Park campus, you are required to make arrangement at any of those testing centers to take your exam. If you may be out of town, or if you live out of town or out of town for the summer, then you're required to find a legitimate testing center wherever you're located. Contact me with the information, and arrangements can be made to have your test taken at that particular testing center. Again, you have a copy of the course schedule showing which chapter you're going to cover during each week of the 8-week summer class schedule. And once again, here are the exam dates for your different exams. So be sure to review the information on the syllabus in more detail. I'm just kind of giving you all the highlights as we speak. I'm now going to go back to the Blackboard site. So once you've read the Start Here information, you reviewed the syllabus and the schedule, then click where it says Weekly Modules. So all of our information will go through the Blackboard site, and you're going to go through these weekly modules. So there's a greeting first, and then we have the first module, Week 1 module. For each module, it indicates what we're going to cover for that week. So what you notice is that you have a Week 1 module covering Chapter 1 and a Week 1 module covering Chapter 2. It's going to indicate what should be completed at the end of each week and the maximum points you can earn. So under Week 1, there's a syllabus quiz, a quiz on Chapter 1, homework Chapter 1, and introduction blog. You're also doing Chapter 2 in Week 1 as well. So there's a Chapter 2 quiz, Chapter 2 homework, as well as Chapter 2 blog questions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Week 1 module. Inside of each module, you're going to have the study objectives. For this first week, you have a syllabus quiz, and the syllabus quiz allows you to earn 5 bonus points starting off, and those points are going to be based upon your knowledge of the syllabus. So once you have reviewed the syllabus, take the syllabus quiz, and you can earn 5 bonus points. The great thing is the syllabus quiz, you can take it as many times as needed. Therefore, everyone should earn the 5 points for completing the syllabus quiz. There's an introduction blog that's going to be used for me and your classmates to learn more about each other. The introduction blog will also be used for an attendance purposes. So notice that for this particular assignment, it is due by 11 p.m. on Wednesday, June the 12th. And so I'm going to use this assignment to verify your attendance. So please complete the introduction blog, which is just questions about you. This blog to be completed by 11 p.m. on Wednesday, June the 12th. Then for Chapter 1, there are Chapter 1 PowerPoint, Chapter 1 lecture notes. There are reading assignments for Chapter 1, a Chapter 1 quiz, Chapter 1 homework. I prepared some other videos that tell you how to prepare the income statement as well as the statement of retained earnings. Now for this course, each student must have access to the Wiley Plus website. To register for the Wiley Plus website, you would click on any of these links that says Wiley Plus. So you can click on the Wiley Plus homepage link, that's fine. And once you click on the actual link, it's going to, the first time anyway, it's going to take you through the registration process. So if you purchase your textbook, it comes with an access code, or you can buy an access code directly from the Wiley Plus website. Okay? So I'm already registered, so I'm going to click here. So I'm going to already go to the Wiley Plus site so you can see what information is out there. Under the Wiley Plus site, you're going to have a section called Read, Study, and Practice, which is a great section. There are numerous resources out here on the Wiley Plus site for your review, such as there are PowerPoints, there's audios, there are Excel assignments, there are sample homework assignments that will walk you through the process and show you the solution. There are skills video, Excel videos, crossword puzzles, you name it. There are a plethora of resources, including interactive tutorials, solution walkthrough, again, Excel videos. I strongly recommend that you take full advantage of these different resources that you have on the Wiley Plus site. Okay, I'm going to click next where it says assignments. So this is showing the actual assignments that you're going to have to complete this semester. It also shows the actual due date. You have a reading assignment, homework, and a quiz for each chapter. So once you have registered for Wiley Plus, I'll go back to the Blackboard site. If you click on the Chapter 1 quiz, once you have registered, it will take you to the Chapter 1 quiz within the Wiley Plus site. If you click on the Chapter 1 homework, after you register, it will take you to the Chapter 1 homework assignment within the Wiley Plus site. So within the weekly modules, once again, if I go to the weekly modules, it will indicate to you what assignments must be completed by the end of each week. It also shows the due date for those assignments. So your first set of assignments, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, are due by 11 p.m. on Sunday, June the 16th. Okay? So I'll try to keep the video not too long for you. But a few other things, the computer project, we'll talk more about that. The accounting templates are just templates I put out there for your review. These templates consist of Excel templates, sample income statement, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, things of that nature. But I recommend that you take time to review all the different tabs under the Blackboard site. This is an online course, but you still have access to me, your instructor. So whenever you have a question, you can always email me. My contact information is under the My Instructor tab. Hey, there's me. Yeah, so if you need to contact me via phone, this is the office phone number. This is my mobile cell phone number. You can leave a voicemail. You can send a text message. And I typically try to respond within 24, no longer than 40. Normally during a week, I can respond within a day. Sometime on the weekend, it may take more a day or two. But typically, I'll respond to all emails, text messages within a 24 to 48-hour time limit. So I have an exciting semester planned for you. A lot to cover over the next 8 weeks. But I'm sure you're all going to be great. And I'm looking forward to meeting all of you in the virtual world as well as face-to-face when we have our exam. So again, any questions, feel free to contact me and let's have a great semester.